that you have some information about the properties of materials, let's have a look at how we can go about hanging a sign. Imagine this is a side of a building or even a pole, it doesn't really matter, and that we wish to suspend the sign from the end of a horizontal beam like that. Now, there are a couple of ways that I can do this. One would be to place a diagonal strut in that position. That is called a strut. In Afrikaans, a stut. And this is supporting the pole quite effectively. The horizontal pole is supported by the strut. Now, if this is a wooden pole, remember wood is half as strong in compression as it is in tension. So if this is a piece of wood, that's fine. It's fairly strong in compression. It's not as strong in compression as it is in tension, but this is under compression, and it should hold that up without too much difficulty. If this was steel, I could again place a piece of steel over there as a strut, but I'd have to be careful to make sure that I make it strong enough. Remember, steel is very strong under tension, but it is in fact pretty weak under compression unless I use the right metal profile. So a profile like I-beam, or perhaps a piece of angle iron over there, or a T-bar placed in this position could make this strong enough. I would not put just a single piece of flat bar over there. It would not be strong enough, and even round bar or square bar wouldn't really be as strong as I would like for this purpose. Right, let's have a look at an alternative way that this sign could have been hung. In this configuration, we've hung the same sign from the homemade chains from paper clips, but in this case the sign is suspended from a horizontal beam that is supported by a tie. This is a tie. The structural member over here is under tension. Now, wood and steel and string, for that matter, are very strong under tension. So if I want to support this beam effectively, I can use a piece of string or rope, or a piece of wire, or a steel cable, or a wooden structural member, or a piece of steel, and that piece of steel could just be a piece of flat bar. It doesn't have to be a piece of I-beam or anything. I could use pretty lightweight steel